Blackstrap molasses is just cheap. No, you can go to the supermarket.
Blackstrap molasses?
Ang blackstrap molasses, madali mo lang makita, ma'am. Sa grocery, sa mga cake na ingredients, nandyan lang siya. Oh, okay. So blackstrap molasses, and then 2 tablespoons. And then 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay? 1/8 teaspoon. So you make like 3 to 4 liters, put it in a refrigerator. If you are going to your office, just bring like 2.
Calamansi, how many?
20. 20 calamansi.
20.
Okay? And every liter. So of cayenne. Okay? This will warm your body, and this is the one that will break down your fat to release the toxin. The cayenne. That's the action of cayenne pepper. So that you are releasing the toxins dahan-dahan at hindi ka magda-diarrhea, you are normal. Pero ang maganda talaga, if you want the measure, dapat magpa-check ka muna bago ka mag-start nito para makita mo yung bababa ang triglycerides, bababa yung mga abnormal fats mo, bababa rin yung mga uric acid sa katawan mo. So maganda. Maganda ang dalawa lang para makita mo, magpa-lab ka. Para kung gusto mo mag-enjoy ng results. Para makita mo talaga that it's going down.
When will we fast? After? Before?
No, before. No. Before, magpa-check ka muna. Then after that, you go into fasting with this. This is guaranteed to be a complete meal in itself. So hindi ka manghihina.
When will we take it?
3 days of purely that?
Of purely that.
Breakfast, lunch,
Lunch and dinner. Every time you have an urge of hunger, inumin mo lang siya in the office. You can even walk.
Unlimited.
Basta 4 liters a day ang makukonsume mo.
Can I still drink water?
Yes, you can still drink water. Pero solid food. 3 to 4 liters a day.
3 to
That's the
4.
maximum
Yes,
for...
that's the list.
That's the least.
That's the list.
Go beyond that.
So, unlimited nga. No, unlimited.
Basta hindi ka bababa doon sa 3 to 4 kasi complete meal na yun.
No other solid.
No other solid food. Because the thing here is you are breaking down the fat and releasing the toxins from the fat.
And then for how many?
3 days.